In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to allow customers to send an inquiry or quote requests for products. Instead of allowing customers to make the purchase from the website, we want the customers to fill up the form and raise an inquiry. Sometimes sellers don't keep the stock with them and provide products only on the orders. In that case, you can see here, I've already created my e-commerce website. You can see the product catalog here. Now, instead of the Add to Cart button here, I want to add a Read More option, which redirects customers to that specific product page with an inquiry form. Filling up a customer can raise a query and place the order. To do so, all we need to do is add a plugin first. So, move back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for code snippets. This is the plugin we're looking for. So, click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. You can see the plugin has been successfully installed here. Now let's configure the plugin. Hover over Snippets and click on All Snippets. Simply click on Add New. Let me give the code snippet a title first. Now simply add the code here for the functionality. This will add a filter to the product and remove the Add to Cart button from the product's page. I'll mention the code in the description. You can copy it from there. Once done, simply save the code snippet and activate it like this. Once done, let's move to the product's catalog. Refreshing the same, you can see the button here indicates Read More Now. Clicking on it will redirect us to this product page. Here it says to send an inquiry, but the contact form is not displayed here. To add a contact form, let's move back to the code snippet window. You can see the code says to enter the form shortcode here, which will be displayed on the product page. To do so, I'm going to use the WP Forms plugin. I've already installed the plugin and created a contact form. To configure the plugin, hover over WP Forms and click on All Forms. You can see this form here. Simply copy the shortcode from here. Now paste the form shortcode over here like this. Once done, simply save the changes and move back and refresh the product page. You can see the contact form here. Now, visitors can send an inquiry related to the product by filling up the form here. This is how easy it is to allow customers to send an inquiry or quote requests for products. Now, we also have other videos related to WordPress which can help you in building your site in a much easier way. I've linked a few of them here in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.